Here we have a 2006 Azure 21-foot deck boat. The trailer is actually a 2022 Caravan trailer. Has a swing tongue on it, tandem axle, brakes. Really nice trailer. There is a trolley motor for the boat. Has a front ladder, room for 2 fishing seats, docking lights. It's green and white. Has a Mercury outboard on it. It's a 150 Optimax. 4-blade prop, gets you out of the hole a little quicker. Does have a walk-through transom. Ski tow bar, full cover, bimini top. L-shaped seating in the back here. Does have a sink, dual batteries in there. Stereo. 146 hours. Lots of seating in the front. Great boat to take quite a few people out. It is rated for 11. And there you have it.